1. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. Price, $16,500, located Kansas City, Missouri. This 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe is a street-legal drag car that combines classic Corvette styling with serious performance upgrades. Finished in black with a striking red interior, the car features removable T-tops that enhance the driving experience while preserving the iconic appearance of the late C3 Corvette generation. With approximately 80,000 miles showing on the odometer, this Corvette has been built to deliver strong performance both on the street and at the track. Power comes from a modified 400 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with World Products Sportsman cylinder heads and paired with an upgraded automatic transmission featuring a high stall converter. Additional performance upgrades include an MSD ignition system, premium spark plugs and wires, upgraded gauges, and a complete nitrous oxide system with a 100-shot setup. Recent improvements include new wiring, a purge kit, regulator, and nitrous pump. The Corvette also features aluminum wheels, BF Goodrich tires, tinted glass, halo headlights, a custom rear spoiler, and a safety cage with racing harnesses. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives well, remains street legal, and is ready for its next enthusiast owner. 2. 1968 AMC Rambler Turbo Street Car. Price, $15,000, located Bremen, Texas. This 1968 AMC Rambler Turbo Street Car is a unique custom build that stands apart from traditional muscle cars and hot rods. Designed to attract attention everywhere it goes, the vehicle combines classic AMC styling with modern turbocharged performance. Finished with custom paint and custom wheels, this Rambler offers a distinctive appearance that is guaranteed to spark conversations at local car shows and cruise events. Power comes from a turbocharged small-block Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. A massive 98mm turbocharger delivers impressive boost and performance, creating an exciting driving experience whenever the throttle is applied. The drivetrain is further supported by a posy rear end, helping transfer power efficiently to the pavement. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives great while offering strong performance and reliable operation. Whether used as a weekend cruiser, drag-and-drive project, or show car, this Rambler provides a rare combination of classic styling and modern power. For enthusiasts seeking something truly different, this turbocharged AMC represents an affordable and memorable opportunity. 3. 1974 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street Car. Price, $22,000, located Okarche, Oklahoma. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street Car is a serious performance machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate big horsepower and proven drag racing hardware. The vehicle carries an 8.5 certification and has been carefully assembled using quality components throughout the drivetrain and chassis. With a clean title and collector plates, it offers both performance and ownership appeal. At the heart of the build is a new 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine featuring 11:1 compression and designed to run on 91-octane fuel. Power is delivered through a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake and Hughes internal components. A 450 stall converter helps maximize launch performance while 4.56 rear gears enhance acceleration. Additional highlights include a 12-bolt rear end, Dutchman axles, coilover rear suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, MSD ignition, traction bars, and a 20-gallon fuel tank. The seller states that setup paperwork is included and the vehicle is ready to drive. Combining classic Nova styling with modern performance upgrades, this Pro Street build offers impressive capability for cruising, shows, and drag strip action. 4. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $52,000, located Manville, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a beautifully built Pro Street machine that combines classic muscle car styling with modern performance upgrades. Finished in custom candy apple red paint accented by SS stripes, the vehicle presents exceptionally well and has reportedly been garage kept since completion. With approximately 12,345 miles, it remains a highly desirable example of a professionally assembled street and show car. Power comes from a 383-stroker V8 topped with a billet 6V71 blower shop supercharger. The engine is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission featuring line lock and a gear vendor's overdrive unit, providing both strong acceleration and improved highway cruising capability. Additional features include electric power steering, electric power brakes, vintage air conditioning, and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gearing. The Nova rides on QA1 coilover suspension and control arms, while large ET street tires provide excellent traction. A Motion Raceworks parachute, billet hood hinges, and specialty wheels further enhance the vehicle's appearance and performance. According to the seller, the car has never been raced and remains in outstanding condition throughout. 5. 1955 Chevrolet Chevy. Price, $52,000, located Pebbly, Missouri. This 1955 Chevrolet is a classic Tri-5 custom that blends timeless styling with powerful supercharged performance. Finished in red, the vehicle has been upgraded throughout while retaining the unmistakable appearance that has made the 1955 Chevrolet one of the most popular collector cars in America. The seller describes the car as being in good condition and ready to enjoy immediately. Under the hood is a 355 cubic inch roller engine topped with a 671 supercharger and dual Holley carburetors. Power is transferred through a 700R automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with 3.50 gears. The drivetrain combination provides strong acceleration while maintaining comfortable cruising capability for longer drives. Additional features include 4-link rear suspension, coilover shocks, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, power windows, and Dakota digital gauges. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives very well while offering excellent reliability. Whether used for weekend cruising, local car shows, or classic car gatherings, this 1955 Chevrolet delivers the perfect combination of vintage style, modern upgrades, and supercharged performance. 6. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price, $25,000, located Medway, Ohio. This 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Pro Street is a powerful custom build that combines iconic Tri-5 styling with serious big block performance. Finished in gray with a black interior, the vehicle has undergone numerous upgrades designed to enhance both power and drivability. With approximately 1,000 miles reported since recent work, it represents a strong value for enthusiasts seeking a classic Pro Street machine. Power comes from a 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with fresh aluminum cylinder heads, a performance camshaft, updated valve train components, and a 671 supercharger. Fuel delivery is handled by dual brawler carburetors, while a freshly rebuilt Muncie 4-speed manual transmission and new clutch assembly provide an engaging driving experience. The chassis features tubular front control arms, coilover suspension, a Ford 9-inch rear axle, 4-link rear suspension, 4.56 Posey gearing, and disc brakes at all 4 corners. Additional upgrades include weld wheels and fresh Hoosier tires. Built to deliver both impressive performance and classic styling, this Bel Air offers a strong combination of muscle car attitude and vintage Chevrolet appeal. 7. 1941 Willys Pro Street. Price, $53,000, located Burnett, Texas. This 1941 Willys Pro Street Coupe is a professionally built custom street machine designed to deliver classic Willys styling with modern comfort and reliability. Constructed using an Outlaw Pro Street body and frame, the vehicle has accumulated approximately 1,600 miles since completion and remains in outstanding condition. The distinctive coupe body design ensures attention wherever the car is displayed or driven. Power is provided by a dependable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The combination offers reliable performance and smooth operation, making the vehicle suitable for both local cruising and longer highway trips. Disc brakes at all 4 corners help improve stopping capability and driver confidence. Additional features include a Ford 9-inch rear axle, remote-operated windows and doors, a tilt steering column, and custom RC engineering wheels. According to the seller, nearly every component on the vehicle is new, contributing to its excellent overall condition. Built primarily as a street car, this Willys combines classic hot rod character with modern convenience. For collectors and enthusiasts seeking a standout Pro Street vehicle, this 1941 Willys Coupe offers style, performance, and exceptional craftsmanship. 8. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $65,000, located Weatherford, Texas. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro is a high-performance Pro Street build that combines iconic first-generation Camaro styling with extreme horsepower potential. Featuring steel roof and quarter panels along with a documented title, the vehicle has been transformed into a serious street and strip machine. With approximately 2,500 miles reported, it remains an impressive example of custom performance engineering. The foundation of the build is a Chris Alston chassis designed to handle substantial power and deliver excellent stability. Under the hood sits a massive 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine topped with a 1471 XR1 supercharger. Power is transferred through a 2-speed Powerglide transmission and a strange 9-inch rear end equipped with 40-spline axles and a 4-link suspension system. Additional chassis upgrades include an A-arm front suspension and numerous race-oriented components designed to maximize performance and reliability. The combination of blower power, lightweight chassis design, and proven drivetrain hardware creates a vehicle capable of delivering thrilling acceleration. For enthusiasts seeking a professionally built Pro Street Camaro, this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro represents a rare opportunity to own an exceptionally powerful and visually striking classic muscle car. 9. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $54,000, located Braidwood, Illinois. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS Trim Pro Street is a powerful custom muscle car built to deliver exceptional performance while maintaining classic Chevrolet styling. Finished in green with a black interior, the vehicle presents a bold appearance that reflects the serious hardware underneath. Owned by the same enthusiast for approximately 25 years, this Nova has been carefully maintained and upgraded throughout its life. Power comes from a massive 462 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with Brodix cylinder heads and a Dyer's 671 supercharger. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a heavy-duty Fab 9 rear end designed to handle substantial horsepower. This combination provides impressive acceleration and the unmistakable sound of a blown big block. Additional features include 4-link rear suspension, power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes, and newer tires. Despite its performance-focused setup, the vehicle retains a stock-style interior that adds to its street-driven appeal. Combining classic muscle car looks with proven Pro Street performance, this 1970 Chevrolet Nova offers an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a well-built and highly capable custom machine. 10. 1934 Chevrolet Classic. Price, $38,000, located Mansfield, Ohio. This 1934 Chevrolet sedan is a beautifully customized street rod that blends vintage styling with modern comfort and performance. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior with a gray interior, the vehicle stands out wherever it appears. The seller is also including a trailer, adding extra convenience for transportation to shows, events, and cruise gatherings. Power is supplied by a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine fitted with a supercharger, providing strong performance and impressive visual appeal under the hood. The vehicle features an outlaw fiberglass body that maintains the classic lines of the original 1934 Chevrolet while benefiting from modern construction techniques. Disc brakes enhance stopping performance and contribute to a safer driving experience. Additional amenities include air conditioning, heat, power windows, and digital gauges. These upgrades make the vehicle far more comfortable and practical than many traditional street rods. According to the seller, the car has approximately 1,234 miles and remains in very good condition. This 1934 Chevrolet represents an excellent combination of classic design, modern convenience, and supercharged performance. 11. 1965 Chevrolet Chevy 2. Price, $21,000, located Washington, Missouri. This 1965 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Gasser is a classic hot rod built with traditional drag racing influence and street-driven practicality. Finished in black, the car captures the aggressive appearance that made Gasser-style vehicles some of the most recognizable machines of the golden era of American drag racing. The seller reports approximately 1,234 miles and describes the vehicle as a street-driven build ready to enjoy. Under the hood is a dependable Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This combination provides a direct and engaging driving experience while delivering the performance enthusiasts expect from a lightweight Chevy 2 platform. The manual gearbox allows the driver to fully enjoy the character and responsiveness of the vehicle. Additional highlights include a roll bar, performance exhaust cutouts, and a clean title. The vehicle has been built to reflect the classic Gasser appearance while maintaining functionality for regular driving and weekend cruising. For collectors and hot rod enthusiasts seeking a traditional Chevrolet gasser with strong street presence, this 1965 Chevy 2 offers a compelling combination of style, performance, and vintage drag racing character. 12. 1940 Willis Truck. Price, $46,500, located Nixa, Missouri. This 1940 Willis truck is a highly customized street rod that combines classic truck styling with modern performance upgrades and everyday drivability. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the vehicle presents a clean and aggressive appearance that attracts attention at shows, cruise nights, and local events. The seller reports approximately 1,000 miles and states that the truck is in excellent running condition. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 small block V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include a tunnel ram intake setup, dual Edelbrock AVS 2 carburetors, dual high-volume cooling fans, and an aluminum radiator. These components help deliver dependable performance and improved cooling efficiency. The truck also features four-wheel disc brakes, Corvette front and rear suspension systems, power windows, custom billet specialty rear wheels, and Mickey Thompson tires. A custom bed cover further enhances the vehicle's appearance while maintaining its unique character. According to the seller, all lights function properly and the truck is ready to drive. This 1940 Willis truck offers an outstanding blend of classic hot rod style, modern upgrades, and reliable V8 power.